On to the next one. I have a Toyota Rav4. This one got hit right in this corner here. It's getting a new lift gate, new bumper, but it also caught this hook right here and destroyed the frame rail. You can see here in the back. It's actually going to get this new section put on there, just the back half section. But first I'm going to put it in clamps and measure it and do a quick pull to make sure everything else that's connected to that is exactly where it's supposed to be. Even though I'm replacing this, I want to pull it and get it square before I cut this out, because there's a chance this could be moved. Any of this stuff up here could be moved, and if I don't pull that first, it'll cause a problem later on in the process. Alright, I got this one all squared up. The liftgate fits nicely to the quarter panels, so I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this rail section out. And I'm going to cut this out from the top side here. I'm going to drill straight through all the welds, and then I'll weld it. I'll set the rail up in there, and then I'll weld it back up from the top side. Got the old frame rail all out and everything all cleaned up. I got my new one. I'm gonna go ahead and it's all prepped out. I'm gonna go ahead and sit it up in there and get it in place and measure it out and get ready to weld up. Alright, I got this rail section in, ready to weld. It measured out good, so I'm going to go ahead and start welding it together.